Chicago Cutlery 18-piece steel knives set is surprisingly different from all other stainless steel. Because its handles are wood, it has been more attractive and smoother. Any chef can easily draw attention. As a forged knife, these feel quite weight in your hands. The balance is excellent, with a super bolster in the middle of each knife. It is made of high-carbon stainless steel in Japanese. Feature, uses Japanese high-carbon stainless steel, quite weight, wood handle, perfect balanced, uses tapper green end technology, comfortable for hand. Included, 1 8-inch chef's knife, 1 8-inch bread knife, 1 8-inch slicer, 1 7-inch hollow-edge santoku knife, 1 6-inch boning knife, 1 5-inch utility knife, 1 3¼ parer, 1 3-inch peeler, a pair of shears, 8 4½-inch steak knives, 1 wood block with built-in sharpener. The knives work like magic. They are very sharp, but you manage them with care, they work for you. Mercer Culinary Genesis Chapter 6-piece magnetic board knife set is made of high-carbon German stainless steel in twain. This high-carbon steel is great for knives. It is approved by the National Science Foundation (NSF) for commercial uses. Feature, very sharp, made by high-carbon German stainless steel in twain, NSF approved, elegant design, comfortable handle. Included, 1 PC's 8-inch chef knife, 1 PC's 8-inch bread knife, 1 PC's 7-inch fillet knife, 1 PC's 6-inch boning knife, 1 PC's 3.5-inch paring knife, 1 PC's magnetic board. Its handle has been used in Paca wood material. Its blades consist of 73 Damascus steel layers. Handle, knife and blade designs in European and American style, which is designed to fit in fashion, simple and artistic. It is made of Japanese Damascus steel, which is a sharp blade for the kitchen. Feature, for handle uses Paca wood meterrail, 73 Japanese Damascus steel, designs in European and American style, included strong anti-rust function, lightweight, very sharp, bacteria protected. Included, 1-piece 8-inch chef knife, overall length 331 mm, 1-piece 6.5-inch nakiri knife, overall length 360 mm, 1-piece 5-inch kitchen utility knife, overall length 242 mm, 4. G16 Red Professional Kitchen Knives made Damascus steel PCs of professional utility chef kitchen knife set with chopper, cleaver black horn, at end, Gladiators Guild 8, red. G16 Red Professional Kitchen Knives are comfortable to hold and beautiful banded pattern goes all the way through the metal. G16 Red Professional Kitchen Knife is elegant and great to use. It has a nice weight to the handle and comfortable grip. Feature, commodorable handle, banded pattern, elegant design, lightweight, uses Damascus steel, Rockwell hardness around 55 HRC. What's included, 1 PC's chef knife, 1 PC's paring knife, 1 PC's serrated knife, 1 PC's santoku knife, 1 PC's carving knife, 1 PC's boning knife, 1 PC's filleting knife, 1 PC's utility knife. Tomodachi by Hampton Forge, Rainbow Titanium 10-piece cutlery set with blade guards, THRE Ross K. Hampton Forge was established in the year of 2012. Here is a comfortable handle for a secure grip. There are also blade that the guards help keep the knife sharp. Rainbow knives are fully safe for the dishwashing. It has included 25 years warranty. It is made by titanium-plated stainless steel. Feature, comfortable handle, sharp knife, many colors, dishwash safe, uses titanium-plated stainless steel, 25 years warranty. Included in this cutlery set, 7-inch santoku with green blade guard and handle, 6-inch all-purpose knife with blade guard and orange handle, 5-inch serrated utility knife with blade guard and purple handle, 3.5-inch parer with and blade guard and yellow handle, and 3-inch santoku with blade guard blue handle.